Okay, so we're gonna let this sit, and then I'm gonna show you the magic in just a minute. So after it's sat about half an hour, you'll see it's starting to get some juice there in the bottom. Did you see that juice that's in there? So the juices have now come out of the cabbage. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna be able to push. See how much easier that is to push? You're gonna watch the juices come up over the top is what our goal is. So once you can see the juices clear up to the top, then we're gonna take one of these leaves of cabbage, and we're just gonna put it right on top here. Then we wanna get the juices over that as well. So when the juices come up over, then that is making it so there won't be any mold or, because that juice is all salt. So we know everything got salt all over it. Then we're gonna just put the lid on it. And I'm going to rinse off my jar. And then we're just gonna let this sit on the counter for about 7 to 10 days in the winter. In the summer, it'll be done faster, but in the winter, it takes about 7 to 10 days. The longer you let it sit, the better it gets. So I really think that after 4 months is when it tastes the best. So that's why I like to do 4 or 5 bottles at a time, because we can be eating on one while the others are still fermenting and getting better and better with age. The other thing that you're going to be watching for while it's fermenting is this lid that you can hear now is going to get really hard. When you push on it, it won't indent in. And then you're gonna unscrew the lid and you're gonna burp it, is what it's called. You just take off the lid and it breathes, and you'll see all these bubbles float up to the surface, and then you just put the lid back on. About once a day, after about the 2nd or 3rd day, about once a day you're gonna wanna burp it.
Awesome.
That's sauerkraut, super easy.